As we near the end of October and start to head a little bit closer to those winter months, we're looking forward to what may be happening with our weather pattern going ahead into this upcoming winter. And we're talking a lot about El Nino because we're expecting a weak El Nino to build in this winter. But by talking about El Nino, we first need to talk about what El Nino is. So during a normal weather pattern in the year, we look to the Pacific Ocean and those trade winds move across the Pacific Ocean, building in warmer water and a little bit rainier conditions onto the western side of the Pacific. When we talk about an El Nino year, that's actually when we see those warmer waters move into the eastern Pacific, and that's going to have an impact on our weather here in the United States. So since we are expecting a weak El Nino to build in, that's going to bring us the potential for some wetter weather, especially across parts of the Pacific Southwest and the Southeast, and we get some slightly cooler weather as well. On El Nino year, typically you see some warmer and slightly drier conditions across the northern half of the country. So this is kind of a generalized look at how El Nino impacts our weather patterns here in the United States. This is the official outlook from the Climate Prediction Center going forward into the months of January, February, or December, January, and February. And you can see certainly some warmer weather across the entire western half of the United States, really west of the Mississippi. They're looking at above normal temperatures, and especially across the Pacific the Pacific Northwest. Here in the Southeast, we are looking at equal chance that we're going to see some warmer and cooler weather. And keep in mind, when we're talking about that 3-month outlook, we're talking about overall for that 3-month average, we would see those temperatures about normal for that time of year. That doesn't mean we won't see some periods of some cooler snaps as well as some possibly warmer weather in there as well, but overall the average would be around normal. What we are seeing though from the National Climate Prediction Center is a wetter pattern as we head into December, January, and February across the Southeast and even parts of Texas as well as the Southwest. So expect a little bit more rain in the forecast as we head into the winter months. Winter officially in the meteorological world starts on December 1st and goes through the end of February. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. I'm meteorologist Chrissy Kohler.